For question 4, we've been given a bag with only blue, yellow and green cubes, and we've been told some information. So we can begin to set up some ratios based on this information. So we've been told that there's twice as many blue cubes as yellow cubes, so we can conclude that blue to yellow is in a ratio of 2 to 1, and 4 times as many green cubes as blue cubes, so we know that they're in a ratio of 1 to 4. So in order to find the total and to compare blue, yellow and green at the same time, we need to get them both into one complete ratio. The way to do this is we can see that blue is in both ratios, so let's try and get blue to the same number. Well, we can just multiply the bottom one by 2. So both of our blue ratios have a blue value of 2. Therefore, now we can begin to compare them. Green is multiplied by 2 to get 8, blue becomes 2, and yellow stays the same at 1. We're asked to work out the probability she takes a yellow cube. Well, we can see in total, using our ratio, 8 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. And since yellow makes up only one part of that ratio, we can conclude that the probability that Hannah takes a yellow cube is just 1 over 3.